Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can cash out on crypto.com. So in order to cash out on crypto.com, all you need to do is follow these steps. So in order to do this procedure, first thing first, check your internet connection and then log into your crypto.com account. So after you're logged into your account, tap the logo or the icon located right at the bottom. This is going to direct you to the other interface. So from here, you'll need to go ahead and select crypto wallet. So as soon as you click the crypto wallet, next page you'll need to select the cryptocurrency, as you'll need to sell the cryptos. So tap the cryptocurrency, and while doing this procedure, make sure that you've already set up a fiat wallet. After you tap on your cryptocurrency, next page you'll need to enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency that you wish to sell, and you'll be receiving a statement stating you've successfully sold crypto on crypto.com. After you're done selling your cryptos, head over to your home page once again and tap on Fiat Wallet. After you click the Fiat Wallet, you need to set up a Fiat Wallet. After you're done setting up a Fiat Wallet, tap the transfer button located right on top. So from here, you'll need to go ahead and select the bank account where you actually want to transfer. So enter the amount and make sure to convert it to USD as well. And select the bank account, click the withdraw button located right at the bottom. Now, as soon as you do that, there will be a confirmation, or you'll have to go through the review process. So click the confirm button. So that is how you can cash out on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.